Hi, could I speak to Mrs. Porco in the library? Hey, Mrs. Porco, this is Matt Landis. I am actually a teacher in Central Bucks, but I also write books for kids. You've read my books. It's like never happened to me. Wait, Porco as in Robbie Porco's mom? Vernfield Elementary, that was a reenactment of a real live event. I teach middle school history at Tamden Middle School, which is like not far from you, but your amazing librarian's kids went through my building. Thanks to her. And this crazy connection, I am coming to hang out with you guys on Friday, October 25th in the afternoon. It's going to be amazing. It's going to rock. Pardon the road noise, by the way. I'm recording this in an RV. I'm literally in that right now. I don't live in this RV, but I will. More on that later. Okay, here is the schedule. I'm going to run 2 assemblies, K-2 and 3-5, where I share with you my writing journey. Like, how did I go from being a teacher to a writer? And how do both of those things get me excited to keep doing both of those things? I'm going to show you how my writing journey started exactly where you're sitting in elementary school. And it started me on a path that's going to put me in your auditorium on Friday. And I'm going to tell you why I'm taking my entire family in this RV across this incredible country to do what I'm doing at your school.
I'm literally in that right now.
And I'm going to test your knowledge about America's past with some live action activities featuring my new adventure series, The National Archive Hunters. That's right, you are going to help me solve some clues from this book. Participants in these live activities will receive some tickets to be entered into a lottery to win a free book. Speaking of books, I will also be signing books for students who would like to buy one.
I need more money.
The National Archive Hunters Capital Chase, Book 1, will be there, of course. This is about 2 fifth-grade twins who rush to recover a stolen item from their mom's museum before the FBI arrests them. If you don't like reading because it's boring, I challenge you to read this book. My mom also said it was pretty good. Operation Final Notice, perfect for grades 4 to 8. My all-time favorite book before the new one came out is It's the End of the World as I Know It. This is about a kid, Ronnie, who's got something really sad that happened in his life recently, and he's dealing with it in a not great way, but it's a story of friendship and how his close friends come after him and rescue him from this sadness and bring him back and show him how to hope and love and move on from something really sad. And the book that really launched my career as a writer for your age group, this kind of, 3rd up to 8th grade. If you've ever felt weird, if you've ever felt like nobody understood you, this book is for you. Check it out. Hilarious, from the gut, ripped right out of my classroom, perfect for grades 3 to 7. And like all of my books, they contain no adult language or themes, so parents, you may rest easy.
That I'm proud to be an American.
Students, I cannot wait to hang out with you Friday, October 25th. I really feel like I have the best 2 jobs. I get to teach kids about history, and then I get to write not boring books for you in my spare time, and then go and hang out with kids like you to share that adventure. If you see Mrs. Porco in the halls, give her a high five, pay your library fine, or buy her some tacos. Because without her, I could not do this. Friday, October 25th in the PM, K-5. I will see you then.